Hi, everybody. It's John DePietro. I'm at the Boston RV and Camping Expo. We are with William from Lance, and you've got quite a crowd at your display that I've seen for the last few days.
It's been a great show. Lance has done very well here, and having the representation of campers in with our product has been phenomenal. We've actually sold every model that we've had here at the show, so it's been great.
Great. The thing that I've noticed is if you're in one of these, for lack of a better word, truck campers, you never know that you're in the back of a pickup truck.
Yeah, everybody that goes in is quite surprised and pleasantly surprised when they walk in, especially with the slide outs. Makes a big difference in a truck camper. And our Lance product being 4-season, you can use it 12 months out of the year, so it's great for the consumer.
Right, because you see a lot of people that have the pickup trucks that are not really fully utilizing them. And this, if you've got the truck, it's a great way to go.
Correct. You know, you've got Class A's here, Class B's, Class C's. We're Class V for versatility, so it makes a big difference when you're in a truck camper.
And Lance is a respected name, so it's quality built.
We've been in the business since 1965, and we're building truck campers. We've got a 140,000 square foot facility in Northern California, and when you think truck campers, just like RV dealerships, you think Lance and Campers Inn, so it's a good combination.
It's the winning combination, and that's the story from the Boston RV and Camping Expo. It's John, it's William, it's Lance. Let's go RVing.